sac.edu, and then go to home for faculty and staff. Click. And then it should be here somewhere. Professional development, click that. Okay, and then this is the gateway. You click on the gateway, log in with your user credentials, and then for something that's not a meeting that's already registered, something that's special, you click My Flex Project. Okay, and then just say, assisted with open house, describe, what you did that day a little bit. Put the date, if it's one day, same dates. Zero funding, unfortunately, and then how many hours you were there. And then for this, you would do personal flex project, faculty only. I just usually click like all of these, I guess. And I guess this is enter the path because it's an open house. I guess this is, let's see, other duties. Click that. And you could just say, participating in the open house, helped identify the path for students to learn about fashion design. And that's it. And then you go over here and you hit submit. And then basically what happens is then the dean will get a notification and the dean will approve it. And then you need to come back and you'll have to say, I completed it. And that's going to be over here. Usually it's like somewhere here. It'll say like you need to like complete something. I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have more questions.